Here we are out again. Another one. Another one is a family. Another hike is a family. The girls with their new packs. Mama with a fanny pack. Me with my Hidden Woodsman haversack. It's a nice morning. Cool but not cold. It's okay, it's just mud, go around it. Gotta get the family out. Gotta get out myself. It's still so muddy out here. My goodness. This is part of being on the trails, I guess. I mean, it rained a little bit last night, but I think it wasn't supposed to amount to anything, really. I think it's just a couple sprinkles. Maybe this is all just leftover from last week. I'm just happy I can get the family out. It's good for morale and family bonding, and of course exercise. This hike's about twice as long as the last one we did as a family. Same area though. They don't realize is they're about to go on a very steep uphill. Or at least I think that was on this climb, or this hike. Let's go. Don't worry, this will be the worst part of the hike. And it won't be too bad. Oh no, don't run.
My socks again.
Y'all doing just fine. Sure you can. Come on. Try where your stick was. There it is.
Okay, I'm going the easy way. There. I was trying to actually go there.
No, I just hope I can make it.
I think it's easy for him.
Why? Because I have long legs?
Yes.
Well, yeah.
Well, I have to put my stick up and then go.
Good job, girls. You made it up the hill.
It was steep.
Well, we're at the top. So that means we don't have to go up anymore.
We have to go down.
Exactly. We have to go down later.
That way.
So which way do you go?
This way. This way, this way, this way, or this way? This way. Okay.
Let's go this way.
Okay. This way.
Let's go this way. It's all blue. It's all the same way. Well, at least it's too cold for snakes. Whoa. Oh no, it's okay. Rock stairs.
Yeah. I'm going the hard way.
Well, as long as you're safe. So you're not too bad. Well, I guess it's my turn. My turn for the rock stairs, as they say. It's not too bad. I've done this a bunch of times. At least I like getting out here myself and getting everybody out here. This is a good place to train, I hear, for doing things like the Washita and some more of the what I guess, well, not really mountain hiking, but I guess more of the up and down hikes. You know, if you can do some of these steeper trails here a couple times a day, maybe, yeah, you'll get a decent set of trail legs for some of the more technical hikes or elevation hikes, at least when it comes to elevation changes. Maybe not necessarily for the altitude itself, but just, you know, for the micro and macro muscles. See, made it up. Wasn't bad at all. So you gotta be super careful and slow going down this. Most leg and ankle injuries happen going downhill, and the fact that these are wet and muddy makes it even harder. So go slow, be careful. Yeah, careful. Going downhill is how I broke my ankle on a thru hike one time. On a multi-day thru hike in New Mexico. That's how I broke my ankle. I'm going downhill.
New Mexico?
Yes. Yeah, that's when I broke my ankle. It's going downhill on a hike in New Mexico.
Wait for mommy. There. There. Don't
Mommy,
push.
I have my own way here.
Here. Here, go. Slowly, slowly. Here. No, I'll get you. Come on. Come on.
I'm better with my hands
3 points of contact.
than with the stick.
3 points of contact. Good job, Mommy.
I don't need it.
So we made it down the hill. And overall, it's a success. I mean, the girls take more breaks than I'd like, but also they're young and still relatively inexperienced with hiking, so that's okay. They'll take less breaks as they get older and hike more, but hey, you know what? We're getting out, we're having fun. That's what matters, right? I think so. Still got to get to the trailhead parking lot, but we're down out of the rocks. So it's just a muddy, easy way from here. Stay tuned at the end of the video for a pro tip. See, not too bad through here at all. Except for a little mud, but we've already seen worse mud on this trip. Two adventurers ending their quest. Tired, bruised, beaten, and battered and weary, but they persevered. And so did me and Mommy.
Hi. Let's just far away.
See, pro tip. Bring a pair of shoes and a trash bag to throw your muddy shoes in. Maybe even bring a change of clothes too if you want to change in the parking lot if you get too muddy. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.